if you're Obosi, you want to walk. If you're Obosi, you want to Igbo. If you're Obosi, you want to Obosi, you want to Yeka, no one. Now, but I saw Obosi, you want to Ndi Igbo. Get a banner Ndi Igbo. Na Cross River State. Most distinguished Bishop, Archbishop of Your Grace, the Chief Operations of Fine Estates and Properties, my own CFO, the barrister, the legal director of Fine Estates and Properties. Our manager all the realtors I South Africa for the sacrifice you all have paid to be here today. By the grace of God, I am a pioneer of Igbo unity, Igbo excellence, and a convener of Akurulu Eredesiazi. By the grace of God, I'm proud to say that I deliver what we call the Igbo Renaissance for Unity. We don't look at states no more. We don't look at Kedi State only. Igbo first. And our mission is Igbo first. By the grace of God, I am part of this team that traveled all the way to South Africa from Nigeria to promote what we call Anomacho One Name in partnership with Fine Estates and Properties. Because we've been working with the company for a very long time now, reaching out to indigent Igbo communities in Edo, Benue State, Kogi, Akwa Ibom, Cross River. Why I said that we don't look at states no more? Because I define what it means to be an Igbo person. I am Igbo. I lay line and Igbo State. No Igbo No, we have now looked back beyond. Back in the days, I am Igbo na Kogi State. I want to get I want to man they have because I don't know if you are Obosi, you will Isu. If you are Obosi, you will Waka. If you are Obosi, you will Igwe. If you are Obosi, you will Yeka. Now, but I see Obosi, you will Ndi Igbo. Get a banner Ndi Igbo. Na Cross River State. By the grace of God, we are the people. I, in particular, God used us. Chukwu Jairo, Ga even there. Ndi Igbo in the Edo States. I am working on day bank in that one day by the special grace of God, under the Edo rulership, which is Yoruba. But currently now, we have been able to each again ABS and other news outlets, each again on these platforms, you will find out that we have been able to realign them to where they actually belong. I am, by the grace of God, a cabinet member of Ancient Igbo Kingdom. These whole things are projected by divine powers of God. This kingdom is, in particular, in the forefront of international Igbo unification. As the Chukwemeke Naga, traveling from here every year, Naga, the Igbo landing sites in Georgia. Not just in the Igbo Sea from ever, like migrants, who are able from Nigeria, not here. The Messiah, you are a migrant here. You came all the way because of greener pasture. But don't really Igbo because there are three ways Ndi from by. First, I will start from there. In the 1600s, 1500s, and when the transatlantic slave trade, eji kpọkọsịrị ndị Igbo zuru ha n'ori buga America, buga na the plantations, na Caribbean and elsewhere. On the Igbo ka ha wụ. Why I say this is because our DNA, your own DNA here will always trace back to your Obosi roots. It can never be changed. No matter your millennium here, no money na munu na South Africa, they will always be traced back to Onyibo Kahawa. In the next 50 years, maybe I have to try in the next 100 years, I have to show my maybe Hana Watulu because of him with the proper orientation now, they must visit home. They will not stop being Igbo. Now let me not digress. Now this international unification is here today to tell you that we should start or we should begin to see every Igbo person as Igbo. Talking about what we have done with the company in extending amenities like borehole, electricity, pipe-on water, and schools and health care. Now these indigenous communities. Now, Cross River, I went down upon this song. By the grace of God, the Pine Real Estate is not about selling properties to you. We are about humanity first. Humanity first. Business is there, business is good, but I actually the opportunity for Kotani, and that is why we are here. We are leading this. I want you all to know. I am surprised that most of us here, but it is not entirely surprising because we are still gathering momentum. In here, we are not surprised yet on the line. Every person, every platform that is talking about Igbo unity, Igbo reminds us. But we are about Igbo. You can tell you that we have the map of Igbo. We are not about Sonya and Awo, but all in Asubia, we are about that unification. So, having said this, I want to put it to every person that is in this hall today to see what we are doing. We find this state as collaboration. Because when we are talking about this unity, we are talking about Akuru. South Africa is beautiful. A round of applause to South Africa. We must return home and do a replica of what we have here. We must begin to think about Kedoja Yeshimeka and Igbo. It's a must. I said we should. I did not use we should. We must, because all people die. Igbo man. So, whatever you are going to do with this company, do it with a relaxed mind. First of all, what we have built is name. Because don't have that but we have lived above that. What I cannot sell is evil to an Igbo. I swear to you, I've sworn to you that any day we promote anything the alien, any day we promote anything the evil, no Igbo they lose in there, no Igbo they lose up here, no Igbo they make anything. Let me die that day. It is my strongest point. I stand on it and I raise my hands. Igbo first. So the partnership with this company is based on we have seen the trust is there, because I'm not just an ambassador of the company. I am part of the company because I have been to many negotiations. I negotiate with Allah. I have the receipt, the screenshot, and the company now, when we are part of the team, now get negotiations on that with the communities. I wouldn't ask from community. I am part of it. I'm behind the exchange of money, the exchange of the elders. You understand? And I represent because the Igbo identity, you must see it in me. That is one thing. I'm not ashamed of it. Why would I be ashamed of my identity? By the grace of God, the chief places that I've been able to acquire by the grace of are all given based on merits. But to George Kwemeka, John Namenti, we have built that name for ourselves through visible work. So, feel relaxed. We are here for you. Deal with the company. Contact him directly. Contact any agents like in a based on plot numbering. there's no problem. You can we buy a phone, you enjoy it through Mogosi. That will be sorted out. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it will be sorted out. And when and that is where we now sell trusts, not just selling land to you. And what we are selling to you is nothing but what? Peace of mind, not just piece of land. Thank you, and God bless you.